Let's solve this problem here. A man is 4 times as old as his daughter. Okay, so a man is 4 times as his daughter. Fine. In 20 years, so it is after 20 years, he will be twice as old as his son. Okay, the son is 2 years older than the daughter. Fine. How old is each now? So they are asking about present ages, right? So let us do something first. Let present age of man be, let's suppose, a, daughter, present age of daughter, be b, fine, and we have son also here in the equations. So let the present also age of son be c. So now what the question says, a man is 4 times as old as his daughter. Man age is a, and it is 4 times as old as his daughter. Fine. So daughter is b. So this is our first equation. Now in 20 years, so it is like after 20 years, he will be twice. He means man. Okay, he means man here. Man will be equal. So man age is uh, a. So after 20 years, it's become a plus 20. Correct. So will be twice as old as his son. So if the present age of the sun is c, then after 20 years, the sun will also be the age of the sun will also be increased by 20. Okay, so the age of the sun will be 20 plus c, and the question is given that he will be, I mean, man will be twice as old as his son. So twice. Okay, so this will be our definitely second equation. Next, the son is 2 year older than the daughter. So son is 2 year older than daughter. So age of the son is C. He will be 2 year older than daughter. Now you say that I didn't add 20 here because it doesn't need, because the difference will always will gonna be same regardless of the years you mention here. Because if you want to add, you can add, it will cancel out. So like, so after 20 years, the age of C, like with his son, the age of the son will be like 20 plus, and age of the daughter will also be 20 plus. So it will doesn't make any difference. It will cancel out, and you will result here again. Okay, so it will be equation 3. So now we're gonna solve these equations and we will find easily our ABC. So let us solve equation 2 first. So it is like a plus 20 equals to 40 plus 2c. So it will be like a minus 2c equals to 20. Let's put the value of a there. So from equation 1, 4b minus 2c equals to 20. So it is like 2b minus c equals to 10. Now we have value of c here, so it is like 2 plus b, so we put it here, uh, 2 plus b instead of c from equation third. So it will be like 2b minus 2 minus b equals to 10, so it will be like 2b. So it will be like 12, right, from b. So b we have a value 12. So the value of daughter age is 12 years. Fine. So value of son will be like, son is 2 year older, right? So son value is 14 years. You can also get it from here, like c equals to 2 plus b is 14. And the age of the father will be 4 times of b. So 4 times of b will be 48. So man age is 48. So now we have find ages of man, daughter, and son. So these are answers. These are because present age is asked in the question. How old is each now? So each now means we have to find present age. So you have to make sure that the variables you're gonna take is for the present ages, and you solve the whole question from present age. So next question we have here is a father is 30-year old older than a son in 5 years. So a father is 30-year older than a son in 5 years. That means next 5 years he will be 3 times as old as his son. How old is his son now? Fine. So they are asking present age of the son. So let present age of father be x and present age of son be y. So according to the question we have a father a father is 30-year older than his son. Okay. So father is 30-year older than his son. So if you have any doubt in this equation that how I write equations like this directly, so it's very simple. So you have to take like the age of the father. So like a father is, so we put the age of the father x, we have that. So s we have put equal sign there. Then 30 years older than a son, 30-year older than a son. So son's age is y, 30-year older we have to add 30 years in the son's age, then it will become father's age. So that's how we get it. So 5 years after 5 years, so what will happen after 5 years? Both the ages of son and father will be we have to add 5. So he means here again father will be means we have to put an equal sign, 3 times as old as his son. So father after 5 years will be equal sign 3 times as old as his son. So son age will also increase by 5 years, make sure. Okay. So sun age will also increase by 5 years. Now x plus 5 will be 3 times 15, 3y plus 15. So we have here x minus 3y equals to 10. So we have x minus y here. X minus y will be 30 and x minus 3y is 10. So from here we just calculate it and it will become 2y equals to 20, y equals to 10. So the value of y, the value of son we need, because in the question how old is son now, they ask only the son. Son is 10 years old, and we can also calculate the father. Father is 40 years old. Okay. So if you have any doubt in the like creating equations, you can ask me in the comment section. I will definitely answer your queries. Next question we have: when David was 6, okay, his sister was half his age. Now David is 40. How old is his sister? Okay, so this question is actually very simple. You can solve it directly. So David is 6 year old. Fine. His sister age is half. So 6 half is 3. So when David age is 40, sister age will be what? Okay. So it is clearly here the sister is 3 year younger than David, and this case will always follow because after 1 year, David will be 7 year, and his sister will be 4. David will be 8 after one more year, and sister will be 5. And then next year, David will be 9 and sister will be 6. So the difference will always gonna be same, 3 years. So difference between both of them will be always be 3 years. So even after David achieve a age of 40, sister will achieve age of 37, 3 years younger. So our answer will be how old is his sister? His sister will be 37-year old. Okay, so I hope today's session will be helpful for you in the age related problems. So if you have any problem regarding solving this type of questions, you can ask me in comments. And thank you for watching this video. We'll see you next time.